Hello everyone, welcome back to Flow Labs. In this video, I'll guide you through restoring an iPhone 16 Pro Max using iTunes. This process is absolutely essential if your device is locked with the iPhone is disabled message or you're experiencing serious issues that require a complete recovery. Let's start by checking out the device. It's currently locked. You can see the disabled screen here, and here's a quick look at the back to confirm it's an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now let's begin the recovery process. First, power off the device completely. Make sure it's fully shut down. Once it's off, connect the iPhone to your PC using a compatible cable. Now this is crucial. While connecting, you must hold the power button to put the device into recovery mode. If done correctly, your screen should display the recovery mode icon. On your PC, ensure iTunes is installed. If iTunes doesn't open automatically after connecting your device, you can launch it manually. In iTunes, you'll see a prompt with two options, Update or Restore. To recover the device, you must select Restore. Keep in mind, and this is important, choosing Update will only update the software and the device will remain locked. Selecting Restore ensures the device is fully recovered and reset. Alternatively, you can close this window and click Restore iPhone from the main screen. Next, you'll see an option to restore the iPhone. Click on Restore and Update. Then click Next to confirm the software restore. And when prompted, click Agree to accept the software license agreement. iTunes will now start downloading the iOS software for your device. Make sure you stay connected to the internet and keep your iPhone connected to the PC until the process is complete. During the software download, if it's taking longer than expected due to slow internet speeds, your device may restart. Don't worry though, this won't interrupt the process and the download will continue. You can reconnect your device once the iOS download is complete or nearly finished. Now I'm reconnecting the device because it restarted. Since the file has already been downloaded, no further action was performed, so I need to click the Restore iPhone button again. Then select Restore and Update. iTunes will now begin extracting the software to your device. During this process, your iPhone may restart, but don't disconnect it from the PC until everything is complete and you reach the welcome screen. Once you're there, just follow the setup instructions to finish setting up your iPhone. That's it. You've successfully restored your iPhone 16 Pro Max using iTunes. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Thank you for watching.